Some of the biggest things that you're going to encounter when you get to it are foundation cracks. And vertical cracks are some of the most common cracks that you're going to encounter. These things are usually created just due to the shifting and moving of the building, of the just soil conditions that are around the house. Horizontal cracks are the worst cracks that you can see on a foundation wall. They're not irreparable. It just costs a little more. A horizontal crack is considered to be structural because it's putting a bow in your wall. And as we all know, foundations are supposed to be distributing the weight of the house down to the soil and across the soil, not through a bow. A lot of these things are formed just due to lack of maintenance from grading, negative sloping sidewalks, patios, or driveways up against the wall, which is continually bringing that moisture forward. Understanding the location of these cracks, where they are, the signs of them, can tell you a lot about what's going on. And it just takes experience to see that.